Unraveling the phrase, as if I care. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, as if I care. This expression is packed with attitude and can be a little tricky to use correctly. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it. When someone says, as if I care, they're expressing indifference. It's a sarcastic way to tell someone that whatever they're talking about is unimportant to the speaker. It's as though the speaker is saying, it would be as if I care, but actually, I don't. This phrase is informal and should be used carefully because it can come across as rude or dismissive. It's often used in casual conversations, texts, or in situations where you're with close friends who understand your sense of humor. It's all about the context and tone of voice. Let's see it in action. Friend, hey, did you hear that Mike bought a new car? You, as if I care about Mike's new toys. Sibling, I'm going to tell Mom you broke her vase. You, as if I care, she never liked that old thing anyway. There are a few variations that carry the same meaning but may fit different contexts or personal speaking styles. Like I care. Do I look like I care? As though I care. And there you have it. As if I care is a phrase loaded with nonchalance and a sprinkle of sass. Use it when you truly don't mind about the subject at hand. Hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase like a native. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.